Hello and welcome. This is Nolan with Discover NC Homes and Nolan's News, and as always, thank you for having me. Today I wanted to talk about the evolution of the bonus room, or f.r.o.g, front room over garage or family room over garage. For years we've called this room a bonus room, f.r.o.g, whatever it might be, and a lot of folks coming from up north, this has been a good replacement to what we had up north, basements. Great room, great space, and this room is again always located over the garage. We use it as an extra bedroom, a family room, a playroom, whatever it might be, but it's an extra space in the house for use. And in present day, like a dishwasher, washer, dryer hookup, bonus room has become more the standard than the exception, as opposed to maybe 10, 15 years ago where bonus room was kind of an additional feature. A more in vogue term now, we actually refer to this room as a flex space now. I think it's just an evolution in the house industry, but we're calling it a flex space now. In many of my own listings, I still call it a bonus room, but I put /flex room in there because it can be a workout room, it can be a hobby room. So we're now starting to call it many different things, but it still is a bonus room. It's this front room over the garage. It kind of brought some thinking to mind that there are other rooms in a house now, like a formal dining room, that might not get used as much as that space for a formal dining room. I've seen plenty of formal dining rooms in homes now turned into a study, turned into maybe a lounge area. So my point here is, if you have a room in a home that is kind of a traditional space, if you will, we're now referring to it as flex space, and I think this might be an additional marketing feature you can use for your home. So bonus room doesn't need to be bonus room anymore. It can be flex space. A dining room doesn't need to be a dining room anymore. It can be referred to as a flex space, and I think there's an area here where we might be able to gain some additional space in your house and market it that way to our buyers. Just a thought. Figured it would be something of interest to talk about, and again, very in vogue term is this flex now as opposed to bonus room. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out, and again, thank you for having us.